All right. I guess we are live. Let's begin today's lead coding session. Since I'm done with that shell project, so let's. For some days, I'll be solving lead code most probably. Then we can see what else we can build. So yeah, let's begin today's lead code session. The first problem I'll be doing basically the sheet from lead code 150 sheet, and yeah, the problem is min stack. So yeah, let's get into it. Huh. First things first, let's create Obsidian and nodes. Supports push, pop, and a table limit and constant time. Not checked. All right, so right, so what I need to do is how can we do this? Yeah, this makes sense. So makes sense. So alright, let's try coding this out. What if we kind of create, let's say, a stack. This is push, right? So we'll update min over here, and this run. Yep, it did run. Let's try submitting it and see if it works or not. Alright. Didn't work for this test case. Why? Why did it not work? What's the range? The range can be covered in int. Right. So what's the issue over here? Why is it failing for this one? Let's see. Alright, let me do one thing. Let me pop a alright. Let's do this. Let's see what's the issue. Minimum is this, right? What does it expect? It expects to return 7 over here. Why? Why does it expect it to return 7 over here? What's the issue? We are basically pushing already. We need scheduler. And this is my stack, right? It's the test case. This is the whole element list. Not wait a second, but it's like alright, this is the element list, right? So we kind of push this into stack. This becomes the minimum over here. Next we push this again. Again, this is the minimum, and next element that we push is this. Again, this is the minimum. Makes sense. Okay, what are we doing over here? Let's see. We are in initializing it. Okay, what's the issue? Empty stack exception. Alright. Let me add the condition. Let's take it out. Okay. When you do get min, you need to return the min, right? So that's what you're doing. Like, that's what you have to do. Alright, what's happening? Let's see. I push this, yeah, this becomes the min. Then I push this becomes the min. Then I push this again, this becomes the min. Then I get the top, it returns this. Then I do a pop, this is popped. Then I do a get min, this should be returned. Pop, this is removed again, push, this is pushed again. Then you do top, this is returned, then you do get min. Again this is returned, then you do push, this is pushed, then you do top, this is returned, then you do get min is this. Then you do pop, then you pop this, then you do get min should be this. Alright, I don't see the issue with this then. What is the issue? I don't see any issue. Okay. Let's see how that makes sense. What's the issue? Zero returns val, 1 returns minimum. That's what we're doing. Right, I only need to print this. This is not needed. Print the min on every step, and that's how you do it, right? Like, this is the min, then this is the min. Okay, let me do one thing. Alright. This is the minimum, right? So what's the issue over here? What's happening? That's what I want to ask. Like, this has to be the minimum. Why is it ever printing this as the minimum when this is already present in the stack? There's again a discussion. The fuck, man, this guy didn't commit anything good. Okay. It's like you update the min on every single iteration of push, and then you update the min in that, right? So, alright, it makes sense. Okay, one thing. This min over this min, like what if this min has some value which is already popped? So, and then we push a value greater than that particular min, but that min does not exist in our stack, so it will never consider the new value, right? So it has to be something like, what do you say? Okay, really, like you don't have to initialize min, right? And push. Yeah, this works. Let's analyze the complexity. It should be O of 1. Yeah, of course. Makes sense. Okay. Evaluate reverse polish notation. Great. Then an array of strings to call that represents an arithmetic operation and reverse polish notation. Return an integer that represents the value of the expression. Valid operators are this. You do a plus on this, then 3 star this. You do 2 plus 1, 3, 3 to 3, 9. 4, 13, 5, right? So it's like you divide 13 by 5 and then you get the result, you push it back in. Alright, makes sense. So it's kind of a postfix expression. That's what we need to do, right? Alright, let's wait a second. Did I create an untitled node? You need this. Right, and this is a typical postfix expression problem, so yeah. Yeah, this should work. Let's try solving this. Of course, this will work, right? So it's like you get a stack. Wait a second. Tokens I use there. Okay, is it possible that no? It won't be possible because this is a reverse polish notation, so this will never have that case, right? So if IT these are the valid operators, what you need to do is to press 1. Over it is 13 and 5, you divide 13 by 5, right? So similarly, over here it is minus 11. You do a 9 plus 3, it becomes 12, and then you do a minus 11 on this. So yeah, makes sense. What you need to do is int num2 is okay. How can we do this? That it can be a switch statement, right? Is there any other better way to write this? I am thinking of that actually. Alright, what happens with this? I do if str dot equals it's like you have 13 and 5, out of which 5 basically, okay, alright, it's like k dot pop Stack.push file is not working. Oh, wait a second, it should be okay. Wait, and what's it saying? It's saying that this won't work because why this won't work, because you're doing a minus stack.pop plus stack.pop. Yeah, so why is this not working? It says bad operand for binary operator. I want cannot be converted to int. Oh, seriously? Are we not pushing it as a lsstk.push integer.value of str? So that should work, right? Integer.value should work. Percent okay. Integer.value of is. Why is this not working then? Anyways, let's try integer.parseInt. String cannot be converted to int. Why? Compatible type string cannot be converted to. Okay, what's this issue? What is this new issue now? Issue. God str. I got. Okay, alright. That's the issue. This should work now. Yeah, worked. Awesome. So yeah, it made sense, of course. That was an easy question, of course. So alright, this is done. I think yeah, that's it for today. Now I have to go somewhere. Then we can continue solving this tomorrow, and let's see if we get something good on CodeCrafters tomorrow for free. Then we can do it. Otherwise, maybe I can start building this Kafka or something like this. Let's see. What is this? Alright, yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.